So now we are going to be calling my favorite endpoint, the bad word filter. So we open Neutrino API and we click test. Let's check the documentation first. So here it requires a content parameter. So this is a string basically, in which there may or may not be a bad word. And if there is a bad word, it returns true under the is bad field. So again, we have our JSON object, and as the content parameter, we say honeycomb cakes, but, and then click execute. So we got is bad true. Why? Apparently but is a bad word. So since this field is returned as a boolean, we can use a job that returns a boolean data type. So let's start with changing the contract. So our API parameter is content honeycomb cakes, but, and copy path is bad. Now the Oracle is going to return a boolean, so this should be a boolean, and this variable should also be a boolean, so we will get to declare it as a boolean here. And here, while resetting the results, we should be replacing this with a false. And then finally, we're going to change the job ID. So let's click connect, Robson, and the data type is boolean this time, and the job ID is this. I copy paste this, and then let's save. Deploy the contract. So I already did to not wait on the video, but if you hit enter here, you're going to be waiting 2 or 3 minutes for the contract to be compiled and deployed on Robson. Now we can test this. So basically we are sending our content to the Oracle and telling the Oracle to send this to Neutrino API to find out if it contains any bad words. And if it does, it is going to return true, otherwise it is going to return false. So this is a bit of a rare case, because most of the times APIs return strings and numbers, but not Boolean values most of the time. So I had to go out and look for one endpoint that would return a Boolean value, but yeah, the marketplace didn't disappoint. So we haven't received the result yet, and the initial result is false. And here is our request ID. Let's check it on. On the Chainlink Explorer. As you can see, we don't have a times task now in the job, because it doesn't make sense to multiply the Boolean value with a number. So we just call the API, parse the JSON object, cast it to a Boolean type, and write that to the blockchain. So we have received the results, and the result is true. So our content had bad words in it. So this is how you use a Boolean job, and in the final video we're going to be using a job that returns a bytes 32 value.